Hey everyone, and welcome back. Want to automate your sales follow-ups and keep your CRM organized? In this video, I'll show you how to build a simple but powerful CRM workflow in EngageBay's free plan. First, go to Automation in your main menu and click Create Workflow. Think of a workflow as a sequence of if this, then that rules. Let's build one for new leads. Set the trigger to contact as added to a list. Select your new leads list. Now, add your first action. Choose Send an Email and pick a pre-written welcome email from your templates. Add a delay of 2 days, then add another action. This time, choose Create a Task for your sales team to call the lead. You can add more actions like Add a Tag to categorize the lead or change lead score based on their activity. Name your workflow, save it, and turn it on. Now, every new lead will automatically get a welcome email and a follow-up task assigned without you lifting a finger, and that's it. This simple workflow ensures no lead falls through the cracks and helps your team prioritize their efforts. If you build this workflow, let me know what your first action is in the comments. See you in the next one.